In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Zoho CRM for sales team. Once you are signed in to Zoho CRM, start by heading to the top right corner of the screen and clicking Settings. This is where you will manage the most important parts of your CRM, including your users, your sales process, and your communication tools. First, you will invite your sales team. Inside Settings, go to the General section, then click Users. This page shows everyone who currently has access to your CRM account. To add someone new, click the option that says Add New User. Now fill in the required details for your teammate, such as their name and work information, and send the invite. Take your time here and double-check spelling, because this affects their user profile and how their activity appears inside the CRM. Repeat this step for each person on your sales team, so everyone can log in and start working in the same system. Next, you will customize your sales pipeline so it matches how your team sells. Go back to Settings, then find Customization, and click Pipelines. Pipelines control the deal stages your team moves through, from early conversations to closed business. Locate the pipeline you want to adjust and click Edit. From here, you can change your stage names to match your real process. Use clear, consistent stage names that your team will understand quickly, because these stages guide daily work and make reporting more accurate. Finally, connect email so your team can manage communication inside Zoho CRM. Go back to Settings again, then open Channels, click Email, and select Get Started. Follow the prompts to sync your team inboxes. When email is connected, your team can track conversations, keep messages tied to the right leads or deals, and reduce the chance of missed follow-ups. For the best results, make sure each user completes their own connection so their email activity is captured correctly. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.